So hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is just going to be a really quick video, me kind of showing you guys all my wigs and trying to remember where they're from and how much they cost and what I've done to them as of, you know, styling, like if I've straightened them and stuff like that. And I'm just going to show you guys in detail all my wigs. So yeah, if any of you are interested in getting wigs and how they work, how you put them on, I know that sounds stupid, but like some people haven't a clue how to put a wig on, so I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, so this is my hair right now. It's like pretty much short and to here. Thankfully it's growing. It was like here last summer. Yeah, so the first thing I would do is start by putting on a wig cap. So I just kind of, you know, it'd be easier if my hair was straightened, but I get all my hair and I tie it into the lowest, like the lowest bun at the back of my head. Probably shouldn't use such a thick bobbin either, but yeah, that's my hair now, so it's just hanging out like that. Then I get the wig cap and then I'd go like this. And kind of get back as much hair as I can. I can never get like these little like sideburn pieces here. Do you know, they won't go. But I'd basically just do that. And I've never worn any of my wigs out, so they've never gone as far as having to be like glued down. You know, if I've ever worn them out, I just wear a hat over them, so. So the first wig I'm going to show you guys is this wig. It's teal. It's definitely by far my absolute favorite wig, favorite hair color. I did try go this color before. Insert the picture here. And it just turned out really bad. Like when I was bleaching my hair, I did it at home and it was all blotchy. It was just never what I wanted it to be. But basically this wig came with curls, like it came completely curled, really high up all the way to the roots. And I tried to straighten it and that was like as straight as I could get it, and that was a year ago maybe. But that's the wig now. And I got this wig from Amazon, but it's from a brand called Krysma. I have no idea how you spell it. Krysma, I don't know. Wigs. And as well, inside the wig, it comes with these little hooks to help secure it. So if the wig is too big, you can close them to make it tighter. Unfortunately, my head is huge, so I never need to use them. In fact, my head is so big, it actually hurts wearing these wigs. As well, it comes with a hook here, here, and here to help kind of secure it, go onto your hair, but I don't really use them either. And I just like that. Pop the wig on. I'm gonna wear this one at a little bit of a slant. And then I'd go over it, just brush it all again. And like as you can see, this wig is really shiny. There is ways you could try and help that, like use baby powder and stuff on it, but I just have never bothered. And that's just the wig on. See, it does start to come up because I don't have it glued down. So you could imagine if I had that glued down, like that's the hairline. I never plucked this wig or did anything to this wig other than straighten it. I definitely would love to kind of thin it out, like make it a lot thinner. And I noticed like my hair in this wig cap is really flat, but this wig has these like kind of, it's just like gaps of air here, you know, that's just not filling in. As I said, this is actually too big for, this is too small for my head, but I still have these like gaps of air. I'll try to show you guys the length. So this is her. And this wig, I've noticed it doesn't tangle very bad. Like it's definitely not one that tangles that bad. It's really silky and really soft. The shipping, do you know, through Amazon, like it only took about a week, I think. Of course, there's like so many ways you could style these wigs. I just haven't tried them. From the back right now, there'd probably be a huge lump, but that's the thing, I don't wear my wigs out. If I did, I'd probably put my hair in French plaits, but that's the back of it. You could probably see like a huge lump here. Ooh. Okay. And then when I want to, I'll show you guys now another wig. So the next wig I have is actually a wig that literally looks like it's worth €10. But I did pay around 40 for this wig, and it was actually a scam. So they were showing photos of wigs from a brand called I can't remember the name they were showing of the original wigs, but like this wig looked amazing, it looked so real, and turns out it was real hair and the hairline was amazing. Like these wigs cost over €2,000, and here's me thinking I'm getting one for €40. So no, it was a scam, and in arrives from the post office this wig that literally, you know, it looks okay, do you know, it looks okay. But I mean, it's not, sorry. And by the way, the green teal wig was a lace front. This one isn't. It's like straight, hard wig cap. And it's after getting stuck in the tripod. So that's the hairline. It's hard. It's so unrealistic. On the inside, you have them two hooks. Like, there's no point me talking about the details of this wig because it was a scam. I'll never find the website again. Do you know, it was a fake one that just popped up on my Instagram. But, you know, she's not the worst. I use this in videos as well, like TikToks. So that's her. I definitely always brush them. I just think it gives like a puffy look, like a fresh blow dry look, and I feel like for a minute it gets rid of the shine kind of. This one tangles a lot, but of course that would, because it's a cheap wig. These are all cheap wigs, like every good decent wig you're looking at, you know, well over 100. But when you brush it, it just gives it like a really nice wave. That's the length. So this one goes just kind of to my waist. But yeah, if you can see, like that's my real hair, but like that is just, you can't even work with that, you know. They're all synthetic wigs as well. None of these are real wigs. Real hair, should I say. And normally I actually have this more parted like that. So this is her. But yeah, and you can wear her as a middle part. I like to wear this wig with a hat. If I had one of my hats now I could show you, but I don't. I'm sure you could probably pass with a bandana as well. Jesus. So yeah, you could probably wear it with a bandana or something like this. That's it, like from the back. And like people ask me, like, do you know if these wigs could be worn to festivals, and it's like they could, but everyone has their own head size. So like personally I wouldn't, because these are like kind of uncomfortable a long time. Like if these are on me for quite a long time, they get really uncomfortable. But the average head, maybe it'd be okay for you to wear. But my big ass head, no. Like my head, it doesn't even fit like Penny's hats or anything. So the next wig, oh, this is how I keep my wigs, by the way. So I kind of roll them up into a ball in their wig cap. Normally every wig comes with a wig cap. This wig is really, really long. And I straightened this one as well, so the ends are a bit frazzled. But this wig, actually, me and my mom spent hours and hours trying to straighten. It did have like a complete, like a crimped style, like it had like a crimped style to it. and this wig is from Webster Wigs, and this one was about €70 give or take with postage, I think, or without postage, either one. And she's so thick, like even in a plait, like she's so thick. There's so much hair to this wig. Again, she's got the 3 hooks on the inside and she's a lace front. So see the way this is like tracks, that's what the other wig had all the way. This one's like a lace front, so there's like really see-through to give you that natural hairline. I'll try use the hooks. I just find that the hooks actually just pull my wig cap back and off. You probably can't see her because she's like the same color as the background, but that's the length. So she's long. I'm gonna take her out of the plait for now. I just have this one in a plait just to keep it like from tangling. This one does tangle like pretty bad. Ooh. Like she's long. I'll just give it a little brush. And this one shreds a lot, so like lost and loose hairs fall out, but it's not too bad. That's the hairline. So personally for me, I think you can see that's really natural, but then you can actually see like the tracks starting then. But I don't know if I look too into it. I am sweating underneath this wig. But yeah, you could like put her into a side ponytail, that'd be cute. Ugh. And I noticed the wig is so heavy and it's not glued down, so it keeps pulling up. Do you know, I'd have to glue it like here, but it keeps pulling up and going like that. If I go like that, you could see how natural the hairline is. And as you can tell, this one's like icy blonde white. I probably would have rathered more of a platinum color, not as white. This is like literally white. But yeah, this is this wig, so okay. Sweating. So the next wig I have is like a really tight Irish dancer curly wig, and I got this for about like €10 off Amazon. I was always skeptical of buying something so cheap, but just because of this style, I was like, surely you can't really see the hairline, or you can't see like how synthetic it is or how fake it looks. So I chanced it, and it's not a lace front, so it's completely like wig all the way around. It has got 2 little hooks in it, and it has got 2 straps in it. So see, that is like a dead straight line. Now on camera, obviously, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look the worst. It actually doesn't look that bad, but in person I don't think you could like pass like for this. Maybe on a night out though I could, but she's huge as well, you know, she's thick. But this feels so cute to wear. I tried to kind of make like a part in this before. Obviously it just gets lost. I feel like this wig needs something to like clip here back and like hold that and like hold that, and then I think it'd be like cute. I can't. Like I do love it though, like I seriously love this wig. It just needs to be a lot flatter. So I did bring in a bandana to see what I can do with this wig, see if I can make it any better. I don't even know. Oh. I don't know if there's anything I could do with this. Probably not actually. Maybe like this? Oh no. No. Maybe? Oh. Maybe not? Well, yeah, I wouldn't recommend getting this wig anyway. Fringe. Why? Where is the fringe gone? It is meant to kind of sit like a little fringe and longer at the sides, kind of. I think maybe it could be cute if you had like a bobbin in it here. You know. So yeah, I'm just gonna close out the video here, guys. So the first wig was Krysma wigs through Amazon, around €40. The second wig was a scam, worth €10, paid 40. The third wig was from Webster Wigs, around 70 to €80. And then the fourth wig was around €10, but with delivery I can't remember, about €15. I think they're all good. I don't think they're wearable for like outside or realistic enough to pass, maybe, you know, but I don't bother, like I said, gluing them down or anything, so maybe they would be if I did that. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. So yeah, you can follow me on all my social media. I'll have it all down here, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. So thank you for watching, and